Umintri rangba ka jila press donting song ko ula penpao ya ka jing aiti lut badang shen bon sien ki dei ki ba penlong da ka jing perkhat shimen hapreng ki samla ki badan kti hakakam le no. Ula pynthikna baki sipai ki bala aiti no kinyo ya ka jingiada bat ka jingirap ka bapura bantai pat yala ka jong ka kam. Baro artli ki sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jela kila shimkhia ban penchilor ya kile no ban kiar na ki kam thombor bat ban yeso bat ki kam le no bakong san nakabenta ka lawe ka basuk.
The next course of action will be accordingly taken. But my appeal to other cadres of the agency also can follow the same footsteps like made by the one who has just surrendered few hours back to kindly join with us to the mainstream. This is my only appeal to other members.
So, can you give us surrendered any arms or ammunition?
Well, I will not indulge in any kind of detail right now, as I said to you, because the official statement will come out from the police headquarters.
So, at the moment, still how many HNLC members are still there according to your information?
That also I will not deliberate much, but as I said to you, I think this time we are able to even pick up few of them. So let us see, and then as I said to you, you will be informed accordingly today from the PhD.
So then, what happens now about the peace talks? Any progress? Any start of resurfing of the peace talks again?
Well, the peace talk till today, the door is not closed yet. The door is still open, be it from the government of India or be it from the state government. We are open to that talk again. So we leave it to their, because the ball right now is in their court. If they decide, we can resume talk, but if they don't, we can't